So I created this podcast to inspire young artists to follow their dreams. If a kid like me can come out to Hollywood at 18 with $200 in my pocket and a one-way ticket, not knowing a soul out here, and making the dream a reality. I've been a working actor for over 35 years. You know, why can't the listener out there, if a kid like you can have a dream to become an actor and now be on a hit TV series, it's possible.
Oh, it is absolutely. Like, especially like I started like that. We did auditions every week. We went to 17 auditions, like, because my brother and sister are also in the business. So before COVID, there was all in person. So we had to drive everywhere all the time. And we had a lot of auditions. We didn't get everyone. We just kept on auditioning. And it only takes one audition to get it and to change your life. I mean, for Stranger Things, I probably did like 50 auditions before I got Stranger Things. But like, it's just, it takes so much time and effort, and you gotta not give up because it only takes one audition. So when we got it, I remember it was 3. We did it at my manager's office, the last one, the callback. And it was just incredible because after a week, they told us that I got the job. And it was just a surreal experience because I just couldn't believe it because I knew how big the show was. And that's what really amazed me because I never thought I could be in a show like that. But it's just, you just gotta keep on auditioning. Even if you don't get it, don't get discouraged because it only takes one audition. So you gotta keep working at it.
That's great advice. I tell my actors all the time, you know, I have an acting school in Manhattan Beach called the Manhattan Actor Studio. And, you know, I have actors that, you know, they've gone out on hundreds of auditions and they're frustrated and they're coming to me and they're thinking of quitting. And I tell them all the time, it just takes one. It's the very next audition. You know, some people quit when they're on the 1 yard line. They're about to score a touchdown, but they don't know it and they give up. And it's literally, it could be the next audition. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, you can click here to watch the full podcast. Please make sure you subscribe. Please leave a comment if you have any questions you'd like me to answer on a future podcast. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I post a video. And I will see you next time. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.